If you're a dentist or a healthcare provider, honest question, what do you think your number one priority should be? And if you don't know that when it comes to online marketing, I'm about to show you. So one quick question to ask yourself from there is, when looking at this slide, who do you think you're going to call first? Now I want you to pause the video and just think about that real quick. Now, when we look at this slide, I know a lot of you may have answered, your website matters the most, or having a full-on optimization strategy on your website matters most starting out. But really, the priority is going to be your reviews, and these stats are going to prove that point. So really what I want you to do is look at the right side of the screen, and I'm going to read that out to you as well. Really just to kind of show you why reviews are the most important starting out and how they're the quickest win. So 98% of people read online reviews, of course. 88% are going to use a business if they can see that the owner is responding to all reviews, not some, but all reviews, negative and positive. 52% trust reviews left in the past 2 to 4 weeks. So that means over half of people, they don't even think reviews that are older than 4 weeks matter. They don't even recognize them. So you need recent reviews. 65% of people left reviews in a response to a request from the business. And then most people look at more than one review site before making a decision. So now, if you do recognize how important getting reviews are as a business owner and you are requesting them on your end, this is going to be the reason why you may not be getting as many as you think you should. And once we get through this slide, I'm going to show you how we can help when it comes to that side of things. So when you see this slide, this is why 75% of people don't leave reviews when you request a review from them. So 75% of people are one of these three. So it's, I didn't have time, meaning they didn't have the time to even write the review, or they say they forgot to write the review. And then there's another portion of people that don't know how. So I'm going to show you a quick win solution to help you boost your reviews by 75% by figuring out and resolving all these issues. So this is how our review service at MedRank Interactive is really going to help substantially boost your reviews and gatekeep negative reviews. So basically the way it works is you would upload a patient list from, the past week of patients that you saw, or the past 2 weeks, or the past month would be the longest you should wait to upload a patient list. And essentially, once you upload that patient list, it's going to send a text message out to all of those patients that you saw for that period of time. It's going to ask them 1 through 5, how's their experience? Now, if they say 1 through 3, meaning they had a negative experience, it's going to alert you as the practice owner first to reach out to that patient so you can resolve the situation before they even think about writing a review. So what it's going to do for the patient is it's going to let them know and alert them, hey, our owner is going to be reaching out to you shortly to resolve your situation. We're sorry you had a negative experience with us. Now, on this other side of it, if they say 4 through 5, it's going to send them a direct link to leave that review. But the real kicker with ours, right? Remember that 75% of people who didn't have time or they don't know what to write? If they haven't left that positive review within 2 days, our system and service is going to automatically follow up with that patient, and it's going to ask for AI to write the review for them. So that then resolves the people who didn't have time to write it, or they didn't know what to write. So that's going to lead to a 75% review increase across the board. And really, to finish this out here, I'm going to show you an example with one of our current clients. So now what I want to do is show you the proof. So this is a client of ours in a case study, a live example case study of somebody who's using that AI review service of ours. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how many reviews they're getting. So you can see here, 3 hours ago, 19 hours ago, 19 hours ago, 2 days ago, 2 days ago, 2 days ago, 4 days ago, 5 days ago. So, that's already 8 reviews within just 5 days. And you can also see all of those are responded to. So that's also a part of the service. So I just really wanted to show you that as the proof in the pudding real quick, as this can make a huge impact on your practice by essentially getting you more reputability. And as a reminder, the quick big wins for your practice is not going to be the website, the big website design, or a big new, flashy marketing package. It's going to be these quick wins